Hey, traders, what's up? How we doing? Happy Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. The Rams pulled it off. That was a good game. It was a really good game. Um, Definitely a lot of memes. A lot of memes. So, the main one we're gonna talk about this one for the channel is who remembers 50 Cent? 50 in the club. That video, my dude was buff. Like, you know? And, sometimes you gotta call for inflation is real, and this is exactly how you know that inflation is real. 50 Cent is now 89 cent. Dude, that was that was hilarious. That one, Odell crying, Matthew Stafford all mad. A lot of good memes, a lot of good memes. It was a really good time. Spent it with the fam. Had some badass short ribs for dinner. It was fire. Some rice, Mexican rice. But yeah, welcome back. Took a day off yesterday. Just been busy running all over. Hung out with the parents. It's good to sometimes just sit back and enjoy life. Take in the little things. That is exactly what we did. So here we go. Let's see what's been happening. It's been looking a little weird. I mean, I told you guys we knew we were gonna come down here. Guess what? We did. Oh wait, you guys can't see this level? Oh, my bad, guys. I don't know what's happening here. Is that better? There we go. There we go. Actually, also let me get rid of this. That shouldn't be there. There we go. Yeah, all right. So, also, I added this little notepad thing that this is where we're gonna keep track of what we're looking at, and when we look at it. So let's just copy and paste this, and let's just write down our other ones. We're gonna go with ETH, ADA, BNB. Oh wait. Remember, guys, it's not financial advice. This is literally just me playing TA Tetris. Just because I like playing Tetris. It's kind of like chess. And I like playing chess. So, sharpens your mind, Once you look at these patterns for a while, they become repetitive, and not repetitive in the sense of you're going to know everything, but you have a pretty good idea of wave structures, and that's all we're trying to do. Just identify wave structures. So you can see, up, down, hold at certain levels. But yeah, actually we're looking at the wrong chart. Where we at? Man, guys, all over the place today. Currently we are sitting at 41,901. Yeah, see, we're not even at my yellow box yet from the past beginning of February. I told you guys that we can definitely come back down, test these levels. I do like that we're staying above our level on the day 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame at 41,532. Looks like we did hit it and bounce off of it. So let's just draw something like that. Kind of sucks now, unless it ends up being like a rectangle. That would be kind of decent. Something like this. Maybe. Yeah, I think this would be cool. Yeah, something like this. Something like this would be nice. Because you gotta remember, we didn't break 45 with a lot of momentum. We came back and tested these levels again. You're staying above this. You came back and touched it on the 12 hour. You touched it only once, but you did try to once, twice. Now this will be your third time. Hopefully you have a good reaction. Someone's messaging me, and I think I know who it is, but Angie, stop messaging me right now. Working. Yeah. So go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and go test 47. Hopefully you break that and shoot all the way up to 49. But as you see, we had already crossed over on our 12 hour. Looks like we're still continuing down. We have negative momentum. We still haven't breached our imaginary line. So I guess our next levels would be to maintain would be 41,500. So we're just gonna put 41,500. Hold. Target level. If the breakout is real, I am looking at 45,643. And if not, or 36,504. Today is the 14th. So that's kind of where we're gonna hope to hold. If not, I want to go to here. So let's see if on the 4 hour. And 4 hour looks a little bit decent. As you see, that's where we crossed over. Where it looks like we're trying to gain some positive momentum, but we don't know. Move on a further time frame. Zoom out. This was the wave structure down, and now it looks like we're trying to get above something like that. That would work out. All right. So let's move on. So yeah, let's try and hold 41,500. Tomorrow, we'll go come back and check. Hopefully, we're still holding. So yeah, that's what we're gonna look for tomorrow. Let's move on. ETH. So man, ETH. I told you guys 3,000 was a major level to like hold. We did not hold that. Unfortunately, we broke down. We're still on that downward trend line. It looks like we broke out of it, and it looks like we're kind of back testing. Hopefully, the only thing I don't like here on the daily, I mean, yeah, it's good and bad, is the fact that when you zoom out, it looks like we're kind of breaching this to kind of do something like that, hopefully. But if not, I can definitely see this still being under the bearish momentum line. Because remember, this is our imaginary trend line at 0. Kind of don't like this music. Let me change this real quick. Alright, yeah, this is a little bit better. Alright, So yeah, we're zero zero. Let's look at 12 hour. Daily, it doesn't look good. 12 hour looks a little bit decent. Looks like you're approaching either make it or break it. So hopefully something like that. If not, if you break down bearishly, that's perfectly fine. Something like that might happen. Yeah, like that, something. But yeah, after you broke down 3,000, I think the next level support was definitely here in this range of 2792. Kind of our last level that we broke out of right before. Tried it once, didn't happen, came back down, rallied, broke out of it, and that led us to the new wave up, where we came back to our 28% retrace. So now, downward wave momentum. When you look at a 4-hour time frame, kind of same like BTC, it looks like it's approaching when you zoom out. Always remember that. This can do anything. Something like this. And this is on a 4-hour time frame. This is how it would look on a 12-hour. You'd cross over bearishly for a while, rally, first wave, and then your second wave. But we'll see what happens. I think here the levels that you really want to hold. Let's go back on the 12-hour. So here on the 12-hour, I think that you definitely want to hold 27. Yeah, like you definitely want to hold here. You want to hold 2828, but ideally 2800. That's what you want to hold. So, alright, so here we're going to put 2800. Target levels for ETH would be, again, staying above 2800. If we don't do that, we're definitely going to at least 2579. And I wanted to break 30,000. You need to break it. If not, don't talk to me about it. It's not really doesn't look good right now. Remember, if this crosses over bearishly, we can definitely see another price action drop to at least 2,500. If you pivot and rally here, then yeah, I think 3,000 would be your first level. After breaking 3,000, I can definitely see you trying to go back to 3,200, and if you break 3,200, you're definitely going to 3,500. So we're gonna put here 3,500 and 3,200. What did I say it was for BTC? I guess I erased it. 4173. Oh no, 41,500. Oh yeah, hold 41,500. And if not, 41,000. 37,000. All right, perfect. ADA, man. Ugh. I mean, we're still holding on. Still holding on. But yeah, it does not look good. Does not look good. I don't want to move any of the boxes, you know, because we did mention that that was going to be our breaking point. Hopefully, again, we still got a little bit. We still got a little bit. I hate being down at these levels, but still got a little bit. 1 hour time frame. Looks like we're about to make some positive momentum. Hopefully. Fix this line, because that should just be simple. So I like that. 1 hour again. This would be the most recent, I guess. Yeah, this would really be the most recent after that. So hopefully we'll see what kind of a move it makes right now. Just remember we are already at those critical levels at $1.101 with 7/10. Currently it is at 102. So 4 hour wise, looks like you're barely gonna make some positive momentum. The only thing again I don't like is that you made higher negative momentum and the price actually went down instead of more bullish. But hopefully here just does something like this and maintains, because look at that, guys, we are at lower levels of our RSI momentums where we usually see a swing or something to the upside. Right there, it didn't happen, but usually we get kind of you know, some upward momentum at some point. Since we're bottoming out, it looks like we're trying to bottom out, but man, it's really crazy. We'll see what happens. For ADA, I'm looking currently right now, just based on this, it looks like currently we want to maintain a dollar, hold the dollar. Our target levels after that would be trying to get above 109. After 109, I would say going back to like the 116, 118 area. And then again, our target again, next target would be 1.49. And we're gonna update these if we end up catching them. We're just gonna write down when we caught them or when it hit those targets. So, all right, BNB. Let's check this out real quick. Actually, let's see what's up on the day. Luna is up on the day. Sol is up on the day. Vito is up on the day. Luna. Luna. Alright. So that was the ADA levels. We're gonna do these as the BNB levels, but we're gonna actually put Luna here. Alright, let's break down this Luna chart. Alright. Okay. All right. I think we're good there. I like it. Hmm. Meh. Nope. Okay. Doesn't seem too bad, but no. All right. So, Luna, looks like you're in the dead middle. Well, not in the dead middle, but you're on the higher end of the training range here. One top, two taps, broke resistance. You went up. Kind of used this as support these 2 days. Came all the way down, closed above it, rallied very quickly. You shot up to $76, and then you came back down. Yada yada yada. So you went up, back down. Then from here you used it again. Slipped back down a little bit. Then rallied, moved up to the second level and third level after that, and ended up at 101. So yeah, so I think if you break $55, 13 cents, I think you have a really good chance of going to $76. So I think let's draw this. This is on the 4 hour. You still got some time before reaching the apex of this. You can do this, I guess, but meh. Meh. Let's take a look at the RSI and our MACD. Oh, I like it. Looks good. Looks like you're kind of hovering around positive momentum, which is good. And looks like you're trying to cross over. You made another wave down here, so you can kind of use this as a bottom, I guess, right? And now you're trying to move your way up. So it looks good on the 4 hour. I like it. Let's look at all of them. Daily actually looks pretty good. Looks like you created another wave of positive momentum than the previous one. So it's really, really good. Nowhere near our imaginary, but let's draw it. All right. So, RSI wise, you are at 40, so you're still in the bearish control zone. No bueno, but you're making higher highs, higher lows. You're still going. You're trying, getting up there. So here, Luna. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna look to hold current level. We're gonna try break. So we're gonna write it as break 55K or break 55.13 cents. 55.13 would be a level. I want to hold 46.49. Hold. Or we're gonna put this as target 1. 76.68 would be target 2. Today's date again is 2-14. All right. All right. So, yeah. What else you guys got? Let's look at Man, dude, if Soul doesn't hold here, you're definitely going. We're gonna go back down to like $80. But let's look at E to BTC. Oof. No bueno, no bueno. What do we got here? What do we got here? All right. Let's go to 12-hour. Yeah, I mean, meh. Okay. I don't want to get too ahead of myself because I feel like sometimes maybe I don't explain the E to BTC chart too much, which I should. Let's see. Let's take a look at total. Let's take a look at total market cap. Well, we broke. We're slightly hanging on there. 1.822 trillion. Look at that. We drew this a while back earlier this week. It looks like you just came back, touched it, and now you bounced off of it on the 12-hour. It's great. Looks like you still got a little bit of time before reaching the apex here. Negative momentum drawing, coming down. When you look at smaller time frame, it looks like it's evaporating. 1 hour time frame, look at that bullish engulfing candle with, it looks like you're going to create positive momentum. It looks good. That motherfucker look good. Look at that. Bam. I like that. I like that. This looks good. This looks good. Hopefully we can have a little bounce. If we do, I think we're going to go straight up to 2.2 trillion. Trying to draw that just this kind of little range because we have gone up, straight down, down, up. Bam. Bing, bang. Bam, bam. All right. So we're going to look to total. I'm going to write this down. All right, target 2.027 T. Target 1. Target 2. 2.386 T. It's gonna be target 2. Target 2. Perfect. Yeah. I like that. I like that now. I like that. All right. So, be on the lookout for the video tomorrow. Pray. Don't freak out. Just kidding. I'm not saying pray. But don't freak out. I told you guys this was going to be normal if it came back down here. It looks like you are working on engulfing candles on the 4 hour. You're working on that, and it will close in 1 hour. 1 hour, you painted a nice engulfing candle. 2 hour, you are still about an hour away. Looks like you got a really good beginning to the start to the wave structure. So be on the lookout, guys, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.